A closer look to. 2. Listen to V giving the answers to the quiz. Check your guesses.
Unit 5, page 51. A closer look to. Activity 2. Listen to V giving the answers to the quiz. Check your guesses.
Okay, everyone. Number 1. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. That's true. Number 2. Barbet Lake is the largest lake in Vietnam. That's also true. Number 3. Niagara Falls is the highest waterfall in the world. That is true. Oh, wait. Sorry. That's false. Next. Number 4. Dra Cor Beach is the longest beach in Vietnam. Is true. Now number 5. The Amazon is the widest river in the world. That is true, but the longest river is the Nile. Finally, the Sahara is the hottest desert in the world. That is true too.